now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. Shoe I forgot about. I thought I was gonna get a million of these. I did not. So we got the 350 V2 Zyon Yeezy. I did want to tell people that, okay, this pair is from Finish Line. I did want to tell people, because people are not aware, the box label, wait for it, the box label on this is not your usual V2. There are a lot of fakes out there, so let me just get that straight. There are a lot of fakes already out there, but with this box label, everything that we've kind of been taught about fake Yeezys is kind of thrown out the window. Because if you look at the UPC code, it says UPC and the numbers are enlarged, just like how the fakes used to be, and kind of looks like that. Also, Zyon is just 6 words, and it's not like any colors like white, black, red, or white, gray, or like, it's just the one word written 6 times. And usually that's kind of what a fake would look like. But so you have to be careful when looking at just box labels. Yeah, you have to be careful. But other than that, you'll be able to tell, because the shoes just aren't built like this. They aren't built as good. This is kind of, it threw me off a little bit, because I thought in hand this was going to be a primarily gray type tannish looking shoe with a black stripe. This is like a maroon color with like a light tan, then a gray, then a black stripe, and then gray on the liner. It's an interesting colorway. I'm not really a fan once I get it in person. I kind of lost interest for it, but it's an interesting color. But I did want to give you guys a word. So fakes are shipping. Some of them even have these weird looking Foot Locker receipts. So when you're looking for pairs on eBay or whatever, Twitter, Facebook, just make sure you kind of do your legit checks that way. Another look at the box label in large numbers, Zyon written all the time. But other than that, still has the other white sticker that comes from the Foot Locker Finish Line champs. And the box is obviously still super crisp. Fake boxes are, they look destroyed. I don't know what they do in that factory, but still super crisp box. Shoes obviously really nicely made. Just watch out. That's all I'm gonna say. Just watch out.